Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to pay for Crunchyroll using PayPal? Here's a quick and easy guide to get you streaming your favorite anime in no time. First of all, head over to Crunchyroll.com, browse the available membership plans, and select the one that suits your best. At checkout, scroll down and click on the PayPal button. It's the light blue icon at the bottom of the page. If the PayPal window doesn't pop up, don't worry. Just make sure your browser allows pop-ups by adjusting the settings in Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Once PayPal opens, log into your account, confirm the payment, and boom, you are all set to enjoy unlimited anime. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.